this is Tiffany. Welcome back again to another 100 Instant Pot recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make green curry chicken. So here are the ingredients for my green curry chicken. I am starting off with 12 drumsticks of chicken drumstick that I cut up just for the meat. 1 of red bell pepper and 1 orange bell pepper. Half a bunch of cilantro for garnishing later. 2 whole cans of coconut milk. 2 whole cans, a small can, of green curry. And you can get them in any Southeast Asian Thai market, Lao market. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. And in Southeast Asian cooking, there's all kinds of fish sauce in our ingredients. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Again, you can use any oil you like. 3 large leaves of kaffir lime leaf, which is very common in Southeast Asian cooking. That you can get it again in any Asian market. About a quarter bag, a small bag of baby carrots that I chop up. Again, about 6 cloves of garlic, whole garlic. 1 large red onion that I dice up. And for a kick, this is optional, I am adding 5 red Thai chili peppers. We are going to start off with turning on the Instant Pot. I'm going to press saute, and then I'm going to press adjust, and then I'm going to keep moving it to more, so you have less, normal, more, and we're going to stay that way, and it's going to beep in a second. Now that it's beeping, it means that it's heating up. So we're going to start with adding the oil. And give it about a few seconds. It's going to heat up. I'm going to put in my garlic and my onion. And move it around. Let it sit to caramelize for a few minutes. So move it around so it gets softened and caramelized. Let's give it another minute before we start adding. And now, as you can see, it is starting to caramelize. We are going to add our brown sugar. Move it around. We are going to add our green curry. 2 whole cans first, because I like them extra. I'm using 12 drumsticks of chicken, so 2 cans would be a good amount. And move it around. I'm going to add the kaffir lime leaf in there. Sit for another minute or 2. Then I'm going to add coconut milk, 2 whole cans worth. Again, move it around. So again, give it about a minute or 2 to sit in there. I'm going to add the chicken. Again, move it around. And then put in your fish sauce. To give it that really Southeast Asian flavor. There's just about fish sauce in almost every Southeast Asian dish out there. And let it sit for another minute or so. Again, let it sit. I'm going to put in my carrots, my bell peppers, last but not least, my hot chilies. Give it an extra kick. Then move it around. And I'm going to let it sit in saute mode for just about 5 minutes. Between 3 to 5 minutes. Just let it get a little bit hotter. And then I'm going to change my mode. Now that it's been sitting on saute mode for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to change it to the manual mode, which I'm going to shut it off first. I'm going to press manual, and I'm going to put it to 25 minutes. I'm going to let it beep. Now that it beeps, we're going to close the lid. And make sure it is on sealing mode, the sealing, so that way it can pressurize. And now we just have to wait for 25 minutes. It takes about a good 5 minutes, for 5-10 minutes around that time to heat up and then kick it into the pressurized mode. Now that our curry is done, the pot is has stopped. Our 25-minute is up. I'm going to shut it off. And now we are going to vent. The venting is done. We are going to open up the pot now to see how it looks. And this looks incredible. I have a basmati rice here that I pre-cooked earlier. So I'm going to serve this, putting the green curry on top. As you can see, all these beautiful peppers and carrots, and the chicken is all cooked. moving it around. I'm gonna put it on top of my beautiful basmati rice, and this green curry looks delicious. So here we go. Take some of the juice, swirl it around. Get a little more of the bell pepper that I love. And carrots. So it looks just like this, and I'm gonna garnish it with cilantro. You don't have to use cilantro. You can use other herbs that you prefer. And look at this. This looks fantastic. Enjoy. I hope you keep cooking with us. Please like and subscribe to 100instantpotrecipes.com. Thank you so much for watching.